Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to put your Canva presentation onto a USB drive. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, head over to your Canva presentation in the web editor. Make sure you're viewing the presentation you actually want to transfer, as this ensures you're working with the right file from the start. Once you have your presentation open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see a share button. Go ahead and click on it. This button is your gateway to all the export and sharing options Canva offers, so it's an essential step in getting your presentation out of Canva and onto your device. After clicking share, you'll see a menu appear with several options. Look for and click on download. This option specifically lets you save your presentation as a file on your computer, which is exactly what you need before you can transfer it to a USB drive. Clicking download opens up additional settings where you can customize exactly how your presentation gets saved. Next, you'll need to select the file type. Canva gives you several format options depending on how you plan to use your presentation, so take a moment to choose the one that works best for your needs. Whether you need a PDF for universal compatibility or another format, make sure you select it here. Now Canva will ask you which pages you want to include in your download. You can select all pages if you want the entire presentation, or if you only need specific slides, you can manually select just those pages. Once you've made your selection, click Done to confirm your choices. This ensures that only the content you actually need gets downloaded, saving space and keeping things organized. With all your settings configured, go ahead and click the download button again. Canva will now process your presentation and save it to your computer. Give it a few seconds to complete the download, especially if you have a larger presentation with multiple slides or high-resolution images. Once the download finishes, open your computer's Downloads folder and locate the downloaded presentation file. This is where your browser automatically saves downloaded files by default, so you should see your Canva presentation sitting right there. Now it's time to prepare your USB drive. Insert your USB drive into one of your computer's USB ports and wait for it to be recognized. Then open the USB drive folder in File Explorer if you're on Windows, or in Finder if you're on a Mac. This gives you access to the storage space on your USB where you'll be placing your presentation file. Go back to your Downloads folder and select the downloaded Canva file. Once it's selected, click Copy. This creates a duplicate of the file that you can then place onto your USB drive. Next, navigate back to the USB drive folder you opened earlier and click Paste. The file will now transfer from your Downloads folder to your USB drive. Depending on the file size and your USB drive's speed, this might take a moment, so be patient while the transfer completes. Finally, before you disconnect your USB drive, open the file directly from the USB drive to confirm it works properly. Testing from the USB first helps confirm the file copied correctly before you leave. This simple check can save you from potential issues if you're planning to present somewhere else. And that's it. You've successfully transferred your Canva presentation to a USB drive and verified it's ready to use. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.